Geometry OST Spring 2023 release date test items number 3. It says the probability of event A is 0.6. The probability of event B is 0.7. A and B are independent events. What is the probability of A and B? So a couple things, right? So we are given that A and B are independent events, and we want to find the probability of A and B. There's a couple ways to represent this. You could see the probability of just A and B, or you might see the probability of A and this upside down U that looks like a A without a line, B. Either way, if you're trying to find the probability of A and B, and the events are independent, you simply take each individual probability, the probability of A, and you multiply it with the other probability of B. So it's just straight multiplication. So the probability of A is 0.6. So we take 0.6, the probability of B is 0.7, and we just multiply by 0.7. And if I use the calculator here, I think it's 0.42, but just to make sure. So if I click at the calculator, so I do 0.6 times 0.7, and yes, you get 0.42. Should be a number less than 1 because probabilities have to be between 0 and 1. So 0.42. Remember that rule. It's bound to be on there once or twice. The probability of A and B, two events happening at the same time, A and B, if they're independent, is just the product of their individual probabilities.